Hello students, welcome on Sire Sanskar Bharati School online platform. Friends, today we are going to learn about the type of cropping pattern in India. Okay, then let's start. There are many type of cropping pattern in India such as slash and burn, slash and burn. What is the slash and burn cultivation? Cultivation. What is the slash and burn cultivation? Slash and burn, it is a type of a cultivation that involves cutting off plantation in forest or woodland areas to create a field for cropping for cultivation. Okay, got it, and remember this. Slash and burn. There are a few nickname of slash and burns in India, such as there are many nicknames such as Jhuming in northeast India. Jhuming in northeast India. Okay, it is called Dajia and Chimata in southern Rajasthan. And it is called Walara in southeast Rajasthan. Okay, remember this. It is called Khil in Himalaya region. It is called Kurwa in Jharkhand. It is called Dhaiya and Bewar in Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. It is called Dippa and Penda in Andhra Pradesh. It is called Kumari in Western Ghat, southern part of India. So these are the name of slash and burns cultivation in India. Okay, remember this. Okay, students, after this we talk about the another cropping pattern in India as basis on climate conditions. There are three types of cropping pattern in India based on climate condition. First, monocultivation. Two cropping pattern, two cropping pattern and polyculture. Monocultivation. What is the monocultivation? There is found only single cropping a whole year, such as sugarcane, whole year sugarcane. Okay. Example, best example for monoculture oblique monocultivation is Cuba. Okay. True cropping pattern, it is an example in India because climate condition of India is monsoony climate condition. So monsoony climate condition, because of monsoony climate condition, there is found two cropping pattern in India. First is called Kharif, and second is called Rabi. Also found a cropping pattern Zaid. Kharif is a tropical climate condition cropping pattern, and Rabi is a temperate climate condition crop pattern. Okay. And last we talk about polyculture. Polyculture is a cropping pattern that having more than two cropping in a whole year. Okay, got it? And remember this. After this we talk about mixed farming. Mixed farming is a type of a cropping pattern in India that involves farming and animal husbandry. Okay, remember this. Farming and animal husbandry duo is called mixed farming in India. Mixed farming mostly found in Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, North Rajasthan, etc. Now we talk about contour farming. Contour farming, a type of farming that involves planting of crops on same elevation. Okay, it is related to slopy and hill areas. What is the advantage of contour cultivation? First advantage, contour farming reduce soil erosion, and second advantage, by reducing sediment and runoff and increasing water infiltration. Okay, got it? And remember this. Okay students, these are the type of Indian farming pattern. Do your homework best. Thank you and Jai Hind.